Have you ever noticed your plant's leaves slowly turning dark, or a fine powder appearing overnight, like mist settling at dawn? In nature, trouble rarely arrives loudly. It creeps in quietly through the soil, the air, or even a single splash of water. Fungi and harmful bacteria can weaken plants without warning. Black rot, gray mold, fusarium, rust, and powdery mildew slowly steal color, strength, and life from your flowers. But today, nature offers a simple defender: cinnamon powder. Cinnamon isn't just aromatic. It's a powerful natural antifungal and antibacterial agent. It helps stop fungal spores, protects roots from rot, and improves overall plant immunity, keeping leaves firm, green, and decorative. Here's how to use it. During transplanting, mix 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder directly into 1 liter of soil. This creates a protective barrier around the roots and prevents infection during the most sensitive stage. For regular prevention, dissolve 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder in 1 liter of warm water. Stir well and let it sit for a few minutes. This mild solution helps control airborne spores and surface fungi. Spray gently on both sides of the leaves. If your plant is already struggling, mix 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder in 1 liter of warm water. Add 100 milliliters of milk. This helps the solution stick to the leaves longer and boost antifungal action. Stir, strain, and spray carefully on affected areas. Repeat every 2 weeks or once a month as the plant recovers. Let your plant stay strong, fresh, and naturally protected. Thanks for watching. Keep growing with nature.